In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dates in Google Sheets automatically. We'll start by getting into Google Sheets. Then I'll show you two simple ways to handle dates: a quick fill for a whole sequence, and a formula that always shows today's date. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the top right corner, click the grid icon, also known as the Google Apps Launcher. From the menu that appears, choose Sheets. Once you're on the Google Sheets homepage, open your spreadsheet. You can use an existing file or start a new one if you're just practicing. Let's begin with a fast way to create a sequence of dates, like January 1st, January 2nd, January 3, and so on. Click into the cell where you want the sequence to start and type your first date, for example, 01/01/2026. If your region uses a different format, type it the way you usually write dates. Google Sheets will recognize most common formats. Press Enter to confirm the entry, then click back on that same cell to select it. Look for the small square at the bottom right corner of the selected cell. That's the fill handle. Click and drag that handle down a column or across a row. As you drag, Sheets previews the values it will create. When you release the mouse, it automatically continues the date sequence for you, increasing by 1 day for each cell. This works across weeks, months, and years, so you don't have to worry about month ends or leap years. If you need a longer list, just keep dragging further. If you only want weekdays or a different pattern, you can adjust later, but for daily sequences, this is the quickest method. Now, let's cover a date that updates automatically to the current day. Click into any cell where you want the live date to appear and type "eTals today." Exactly like that, with the equal sign and no extra spaces. Press Enter. You'll see the current date appear instantly. This value is dynamic. It refreshes to the correct date each day and when the sheet recalculates, making it perfect for dashboards, logs that reflect as of today, or status pages. Keep in mind that because it updates, it's not intended for permanent records that must stay the same over time. That's it. You've learned how to open Google Sheets, create an automatic sequence of dates by starting with a single date and dragging the fill handle, and insert a live, always current date using the Today function. Use the first approach when you need a fixed list, and the second when you want the sheet to reflect the current date automatically.